We're up here on cloud nine, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're partners in crime, and I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it.
Welcome to the vlog. Cheers.
Cheers.
Pumpkin donuts. So good. Mm-mm.
I want to be this girl. She looks cute. Oh, check on this side. Oh! It's a whole unicorn. I want to wear that.
Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the vanilla because I'm here.
How do you do this?
No, thanks.
Good afternoon, everybody. Oh, yes, Willie. Hello. Gonna go see if the
Check out the baby.
chicken's laying the eggs.
Hey, hurry up.
We only got 2 eggs, so we just got 2 eggs. Hi, guys. So, got some more bags. Oh, did I bring up? Yeah, I did. No, yeah, I did. They're there. Okay, so I got some more mailers in, and let's see. Let me put these away. Gotta order some more. Yeah, I got a few. Okay. And then I did get the aprons. If you watched yesterday's vlog, I messed up. Well, I didn't mess up. The machine messed up. And yeah, so now I had the fastest way to get it is off Amazon. These aprons are of a different material. They're all polyester, but these ones are like cheaper. I don't want to say cheap. Stupid Nat. He just really wants to be around me. He must think he's my friend. Anyway, so I gotta get that made. I'm conversing with somebody. Hold on, let me answer them. Okay, I had to answer it. It's like I'm the type of person that I need to answer it right away. Otherwise, if I'm not gonna answer it, it's gonna sit there for a while. I'll be like, why didn't I answer that? Anyway, I was looking into buying well, shoot, I didn't read all that. It says for light fabrics, which is fine. I mean, I'm just gonna cut fabrics. I was looking into some other, you know, curved scissors on Amazon, even though this one says $4.99. It says for light fabrics paper, and it says 1 layer of light fabric paper ribbon. They are thinner, but they were really cheap. They were like $3 and something. So I thought, why not give them a whirl? So I bought 2 of them. But if they don't work, they don't work. I've used this brand, Westcott, before. One of my favorite ones was the Westcott. It's over here. Well, I have these ones, which are little. I thought these ones were. I think these are. Yeah, they've got to be. Anyway, yeah. So these ones used to be like, I used to love these little purple ones. In fact, I might actually try these ones. Anyway, scatterbrained. People will message you, not you, but you, me, and they're like, I need this in a hurry, or I need to get it by this date. And you're like, okay, check out, you know, with priority mail shipping, or I tell them they have the option of doing priority mail shipping at checkout. Hold on. Please hold. But they wanted to order, and I was like, okay, we'll check out with priority mail shipping. You know, you'll get it faster. I was like, but, or if you do free shipping, it might arrive in time. I'm like, your ship date would be this, and shipping usually is like 3 to 5 business days. So I was like, you know, you could get it in time. And they say, okay, I'll do the free shipping. Well, if it doesn't arrive in time, don't blame me. These might be good. I'm going to try to remember to use these for like cutting the threads. Because that was the main thing I was having issue with, is like when I would drop the scissors. Like, I need more. Do you know what? I just dropped those, and there's like 2 other pair down here. But when I was trying to cut some threads, it was like I couldn't cut them. Like, they didn't want to cut. One of these. Well, this one's cutting up fine. But it was like when I was trimming it off the shirt. Anyway, we'll try them out. If, you know, if they don't work, I only wasted like $3 and some change on them. But they are curved. It won't focus, but they are curved. But like I said, I didn't know it was like late. They have heavy, medium, and light. Which I was gonna look on here and see if they got heavy. Anyway, I'm going to get to work. I think we're gonna I think we'll do fajitas for dinner tonight. Embroidery. It says embroidery scissors. These ones are $13.19. They have different ones on here. The ones that Danny sent me that she likes to use that have the bigger handles, like holes, they are out of stock. They upgraded shipping. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and get a few of these orders done. Like I said, I think we'll just have fajitas. I bought a ham, which I know Sterling loves ham, so we'll have ham one night. And I got red skin mashed potatoes and green beans to go with it. We bought stuff for fajitas, chicken fajitas. I bought another pork. Y'all, my husband has gone pork crazy, like pork tenderloin crazy ever since. Okay, so I mean, occasionally I buy them, occasionally I make them for dinner, occasionally we have them, but it's been you know, probably several months since we have. But I made one for like a Sunday dinner, I think, and he was like, that tenderloin was so good, that was so good, you need to make that again. And so I think I made it the following week. I don't think I made it for Sunday dinner, but I made it, you know, during the week. And then he was like, that pork tenderloin was so good, that was so good, and he wanted to do another one. So the way I make it is I put it in the crock pot, I pour chicken broth on it, a packet of Lipton, it doesn't have to be Lipton, but I use Walmart brand, onion soup mix, and some garlic, like load it with garlic, and then, you know, add some spices to it, whatever. And that's how I cook it. And the more garlic the better on those. For whatever reason, it just really enhances the flavor. Like, so he wanted me to do it like a third time, and I was like, you know, I can do other things with the pork loin. Like we can make barbecue sandwiches. Oh yeah, because normally our barbecue sandwiches were made out of chicken breasts. So anyway, when I did the barbecue sandwiches the other night, he's like, I think I like the pork better than the chicken. Well, see, before when I would make them, he wanted me to do them with chicken, and so he liked the chicken better than the pork, so now he likes the pork again. So he wanted to buy another one of those, so we got another one. We're gonna have barbecue sandwiches again. So we got ham, we got fajitas, we got another pork tenderloin for barbecue sandwiches, and then I did buy some pork chops. I'm just gonna do some fried pork chops, like, you know, in flour and salt and pepper. And then we also got some squash from Papa, so we'll probably have the squash. And I got some sweet potatoes and Sterling a baking potato. So we'll have sweet potatoes and baked potatoes for that. And then I also got some slaw. And so I'm like, we can either have slaw when we have barbecue sandwiches, or we can have slaw when we have the fried pork chops, you know, whatever. I also bought some Zatarans, so we can have the Zatarans with some smoked sausage. Is there anything else? I think that's all. I don't know what we're gonna have for Sunday dinner, but I'm like, we need Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We go out to dinner on Friday, so Saturday, and then Monday. So we technically need, when I go grocery shopping on Tuesdays, I try to get at least 5 meals, and then occasionally if like we go out on a Saturday night or something and I don't cook, then I carry that meal over to the, you know, following week. But we still have to figure out Sunday dinner. So we got fajitas probably tonight. We got the Zatarans, I don't know when. I think he wanted to have barbecue tomorrow, so we'll have the barbecue tomorrow, the Zatarans Thursday, Friday out to dinner. Saturday we can have the pork chops, and then for Sunday dinner, oh, I bought a ham, so ham is not for Sunday dinner, ham was for Monday dinner. So we'll figure out what we'll have for Sunday dinner. And then I did buy more breakfast options. Journey and I have been loving eating pancakes lately, so I got us some more pancakes and syrup. I got oatmeal. I like oatmeal, and she has gotten into the habit of not really liking breakfast, kind of like I was. Like, we eat breakfast, but I won't, like, when we first get up, like, it'll be like an hour before we'll eat breakfast, or, you know, it'll be a while. My husband, on the other hand, likes to get up and drink a protein shake. So that is usually his breakfast. And then Sterling, she usually just snacks on whatever, grabs a banana, or, you know, she always goes for like fruit and stuff like that. So I'm trying to get Journey more into eating more of a bigger breakfast, because I think it eliminates her from snacking all day. And I have noticed, and it is like almost like proven fact now, that if she eats breakfast in the morning, she snacks less during the day. And so I have been, you know, making her eggs and pancakes, and I fried some vegetables, some onion and pepper and some tomatoes. And so we had that along with some eggs and a pancake. Was it yesterday or the day before? And she really did enjoy that, although she only tried like one onion. She said, "Oh, this is good." She didn't touch it. But so I bought some sausage so we can have sausage, eggs, and pancakes, and the pancake stuff. And I bought some oatmeal so she can try oatmeal to see if she likes oatmeal. I do like oatmeal. Maybe she'll like it too. And then we also, I was gonna buy hash browns, but I forgot. But I also got muffins, like English muffins, like we can have an egg on English muffin. Yeah, so anyway, I'm procrastinating. I need to get to work. Let's see how much work we can get done. Oh, I'm wearing my earrings that Diane sent me. I love these. I love them because they're so like unique, and they are like lightweight. So I don't know if like you wear, like, some of those earrings like can be so heavy. So I usually try to get like some of the lighter, like, you know what I mean, lighter, so they're not like dragging your ears down. But I love them. My husband's like, those are so cool. I'm trying to turn the TV on. I have a video going live in 1 minute, and I haven't pre-watched it yet, so I'm going to try to get that, at least start it before it goes live. And then I'll watch it while I work. Whistle while you work. Do, 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 do. Oh, it's about time to harvest these seeds. I'm like, is there any in here? I wonder what they would do if I gave them one. Here's some of what we've harvested so far.
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.